Hello friends, it's me, Teddy. Today, we are going to draw Princess Peach from Mario Brothers. Let's get started. To begin, draw a curved C shape for her mouth, then create an M shape above it. Add another curved C shape below the mouth to form her lips. Next, draw an S shape for her nose. Moving on to her eyes, draw two straight lines and connect them with a reverse U shape to create the eye shape. Within each eye, draw an oval shape for her eyeballs. To make her eyelashes, add 3 diagonal lines to each eye. Then, draw a curved line above each eye for her eyebrows. Now, let's draw a big heart shape above her head and a curved line that extends into an S shape for her right hair. Repeat this process on the other side as well. For her front hair, draw a long V shape on each side. Next, make 2 circles on each side for her earrings. Draw a dot below her lips and extend 2 curved lines from it, connecting them to her ears. Extend 2 straight lines from her face and draw an M shape to join them both. Next, extend a V shape on both sides and connect them with a straight line below. From this straight line, make 2 diagonal lines and create a C curve to join them. Draw 2 lines below them that join by making a V shape. Moving on to her body, draw a curved line from her torso and extend it into a straight line. Then, draw another curved line. Make 2 curved lines that have the same starting point, and also draw 2 more curved lines to create the fall of her dress. To depict her locket, draw 2 circles. From one of her shoulders, create a diagonal line that extends in a curved shape, ending with a straight line to form her gloves. Make a V shape for her elbows, and repeat this process for the other hand. For her remaining back hair, draw a J-like shape that extends into an N-like shape. Repeat this on the other side as well. Now, make an S shape that joins to her hips. Repeat this on the other side. Finally, let's draw her crown. Make a W shape and extend 2 straight lines at its ends. Add 3 circles inside it to complete the crown. And that's it. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon. Until then, happy drawing!